Hello students, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe the channel to get notification of my upcoming videos. So we have just started the first chapter of class 10 computer, that is computer and communication. In our previous video, we have discussed communication model, elements of communication, media, protocol. So the link I have given to you in a description box, so you can go through with that. So the topic which we look today is a transmission and types of transmission. So in communication, transmission is the process of sending and propagating information signal over a physical point to point or point to multi-point transmission medium. So in Hindi, the basic meaning of transmission is जो डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको संचार के माध्यमों जो कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम्स हैं हमारे उसके थ्रू हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में ट्रांसमिट करते हैं, स्थानांतरित करते हैं, इसी ही हम क्या कहते हैं, ट्रांसमिशन कहते हैं. So in this figure what you are seeing that the transmission model of communication, right? So it is a communication as a one-way linear process in which a sender encodes a message and transmits it through a channel to a receiver who decodes it. Now first element you are seeing that is information source, right? So जहाँ पे हमारी information की उत्पत्ति हुई है, ठीक है. अब through transmitter the information is going to transmit via channel will provide the path, and then receiver will receive it and to pass it to destination is the final point where the information will get reached, and then destination will give the feedback to information source. So this is the basic transmission model. So here the signal which we are transmitting is in the form of analog and digital. So now we will see the analog transmission. So to understand the analog transmission, first to understand the analog signal. So in figure you are seeing analog signal. So it is in the form of wave. So this is any continuous signal for which the time varying feature of the signal is representation of some other time varying quantity. So in a simple language in Hindi we can say analog signal एक continuous wave का form है जो समय के साथ बदलता रहता है. Okay. So इसके जो examples होते हैं जैसे audio signal, radio signals, ये एनालॉग सिग्नल के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. और जो हमारी टेलीफोन लाइन होती है उसमें जो हमारा डेटा होता है वो एनालॉग सिग्नल्स के फॉर्म में ही ट्रांसमिट होता है. So the analog transmission is a transmission method of conveying information using a continuous signal which varies in amplitude and phase. This amplitude and phase I will explain after explaining the digital transmission. Okay. So what we concluded here that in analog signal हम सूचनाओं को जो हमारी information होती है उसको continuous भेज सकते हैं. Now to understand the digital transmission, we should again understand the digital signal. So a digital signal is a discrete. It can have only limited number of defined values, often as simple as 1 and 0. It is represented in the form of binary numbers. So हम कह सकते हैं कि ऐसे सिग्नल जो 0 और 1 के फॉर्म में ट्रांसमिट होते हैं डिजिटल सिग्नल कहलाते हैं, जहाँ पे 0 को हम लो वैल्यू कंसिडर करते हैं और 1 को हाई वैल्यू. So in the figure you are seeing the digital signal representation. And one of the good feature of digital signal, they don't produce noise. Okay. And if you will see the examples of digital signals like digital phones, computer, digital pens. Now we will come to the digital transmission. So digital transmission is the transmission of signals that vary discretely with time between two values of some physical quantity. One value representing the binary number 0 and other representing 1. So basically कंप्यूटर में डिजिटल सिग्नल्स का यूज़ किया जाता है, ठीक है। तो ट्रांसमिशन वोल्टेज की पल्स को हम 0 और 1 के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ठीक है, जहाँ पे 0 का मीनिंग होता है ऑफ और 1 का मीनिंग होता है ऑन। As I said, the amplitude and the phase in analog signal I will explain. So in the figure you are seeing the amplitude and phase. Amplitude of a signal refers to height of signal. So you can say that amplitude is defined as the maximum height of the signal, जो अधिकतम ऊंचाई होती है सिग्नल की. And it appears in equal to the vertical distance from a given point on the waveform to the horizontal axis. In figure you can clearly see that. Now the term is phase, or you can call it frequency. So phase involves the relationship between the position of amplitude crests and throws of two waveforms. और इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज वी कैन से जो फेज या फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है वो उस दर को बताती है जिस पर सिग्नल बदल रहा होता है, जहाँ पे हमारा जो सिग्नल है वो चेंज होता है. Now we have a term modulation and demodulation. So in figure you can clearly see that modulation is the process to converting digital signal to analog signal. In Hindi, डिजिटल सिग्नल को एनालॉग सिग्नल में परिवर्तित करना ही मॉड्यूलेशन होता है. And demodulation is reverse process of modulation, where we will convert analog signal into digital signal. एनालॉग सिग्नल को डिजिटल सिग्नल में परिवर्तित करना डिमॉड्यूलेशन कहलाता है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी इन फिगर. So here we have discussed modulation and demodulation. In next class we will discuss the types of modulation. Thank you.